Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have smooth graphics in Blox Fruits. So if your graphics in Blox Fruits lagging or looking blurry, don't worry. Today I'll show you how you can make Blox Fruits look smooth and sharp like a pro. Even if you are using a low-end PC or laptop, so let's fix that like in under 5 minutes. So first, you can just open Roblox and launch Blox Fruits. And once you're in the game, you can just press on the S key on your keyboard and go to the settings and look for the graphics mode. You can just scroll down. So here is the graphics mode. So here's what you need to do. You can set the graphics mode into manual and then adjust the graphics quality. If you want smoother performance, you can keep it around level 4 or 6. But if you have a stronger PC, you can go up to level 8 or 9 for sharper visuals. Now let's make sure your PC is helping, not slowing you down. So on your Windows 11 computer, you can just search for the graphics settings, this one. And then you can click on the change default graphics setting. Here you need to turn on the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. And after that, you can restart your PC. Then in the same window, you can just find the Roblox player here on the list. And then you can click on the options and set it into high performance. That way, Roblox use your dedicated GPU for smoother gameplay. And next one, this one is quick but powerful. So before you play, you need to close any heavy apps running in the background like Chrome. You can just open the task manager and then you can end unnecessary tasks. You can just right click and choose to end the task. So this will free up RAM, which helps Roblox run smoothly without random stutters. And if you want next level smoothness, you need to download Blue Blox Strap. It's a free launcher that lets you unlock FPS, enable high quality texture, and also customize rendering modes. So after that, you can test it out. You can load into Blox Fruits and check the difference. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.